Hello everyone, and welcome to the overview for the Mastering C++ Standard Library Features course. My name is Vittorio Romeo, and I'm the author of this course. I am currently a full-time software engineer at Bloomberg, but in my spare time, I'm also an open source developer. I've been working on several open source libraries, applications, and games. Mostly, I consider myself a C++ enthusiast. I really love the language, and I've been closely following its evolution and participating in it. I have a blog, vittorioromeo.info, where I write articles about cool techniques and applications of the new features, and I also travel in order to give talks at conferences such as CPPCon, C++ Now, Italian C++, or Meeting C++. In my spare time, when I'm not working with computers, I really enjoy fitness and science fiction related movies and TV series. You can reach me at my Twitter handle, supav1234, or via email. Let's take a look at an overview of the sections in the course. In the first section, you learn about value categories and move semantics. Move semantics were introduced in C++11 and they radically changed the way you work with the language. Afterwards, you learn about smart pointers and how to use them effectively. They've completely removed the need for manual dynamic memory management in C++. After that, you learn how to write your own movable classes and make sure that clients of your classes and components will benefit from move semantics. The next three sections are all about a new C++ feature, which is extremely important and changes the way you think about code: lambda expressions. In Discover Lambdas, you'll get familiar with the new syntax and with the idea of an anonymous function. In Lambdas as first-class citizens, you'll see how lambdas behave like any other entity in the language and how they can be passed and returned from and to functions. Afterwards, you'll master lambdas and see conventional and unconventional use cases for them. In the last two sections, we'll learn about some advanced topics that revolve around the idea of compile-time programming. Firstly, we'll learn how to compute arbitrary functions at compile time. And then we'll learn about type manipulation and template metaprogramming. Let's now take a look at the goals of this course. Firstly, you'll learn about the most important C++ 11, 14, and 17 core language features. You'll obtain knowledge of powerful standard library features that can increase your code's quality, safety, and performance. You will understand how modern C++ language features interact with the standard library and how they benefit from each other. You will also gain experience of advanced techniques such as compile-time programming and type manipulation. Finally, you'll master language and library features required to improve your productivity and effectiveness. Why should you take this course? You should take this course if you're interested in having a safer and more expressive code base. The best part about this is that you don't have to compromise on neither performance nor accessibility. Besides, you will also be empowered with the latest language and library fundamentals and paradigms. These are the only prerequisites you need: intermediate C++ knowledge of C++03 and the basics of C++11. Any modern compiler on any platform, for example, GCC 7 or Clang 5 will do fine. You can also access these compilers online for free at onebox.org. Finally, passion for C++ and the desire to learn more about the language.